Hi everyone, it's Kat, your crazy neighborhood cat lady. Today I was thinking of doing something a little different with materials I don't typically use, but I had the idea for tarot card kitties for a while now, and I wanted to try my hand at making some pins. Overall, they're pretty simple to make, but I may tweak some of the steps that I did since I've made a couple of mistakes. Oh, the joys of creating. But anywho, I hope you like the video. but I probably won't use UV resin for this project again, at least not the brand I use, just because some air pockets showed up while it was curing, as you can see here. Yeah, that's irksome. Oh well, it's a learning process, and at least the front turned out okay. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments. Alright, meows and kisses to all. Bye!